Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Chiz-Tech. This is our workshop. I've had quite a few people asking what it is that we've got in the background, so I thought might as well take some time to show you what we have here. I say M quite a bit, so you'll just have to bear with me. Trying to get out of that bad habit. That's our Hyundai I30 outside. You'll see some videos of that kicking about. They've been on some YouTube videos. We're going to start doing some track days of it. It's been modified. It's got a tuning box on. It's got a larger intake for the turbo. It's got a 4-inch Forged Motorsport air intake with a large filter. What else has it got? It's got a upgraded dog mount, GPF delete. Might as well show you. You can see the reg anyway. There is took the way. Yeah, so that's run. It's been down to 325 brake horsepower. We're going to add some new bits and pieces to it. 3-inch mid pipe, a decat. That's probably as far as we'll go with that. So I share this unit with Williams Performance, BMW specialist. Like I said, a few people have asked what these cars are in the background, so we'll do a little bit about them. We'll start with Mark from Williams Performance. He's got the A46 Bmw Track Car. So this was running the S54 engine from the original M3, 3.2 I think. We did a few track days in it and it was okay, but Mark's really heavily into these B58 engines. What's in the M140, 240, 340, 440, 540, loads of cars. It's also in the different variation, but it's also in the new M3 and M4, the G80s, G82s, as the S58. So this was running M4 brakes all round. It runs 10-inch wide square setup, wheels at the back, apex wheels. Did have a full roll cage. As you can see, everything's been taken out, so we've got a full custom cage to go in at the back, all T45 material. This one's going to get a B58 engine in it. It's going to be something special, so I'll not go too much into it, but Mark's going to make this into pretty much a one-off. So yeah, it should be getting done. Should be some really good things on that. I'm sure we'll see more of that. And this is the Renault Clio that he has. It's a 182 2 litre. There's bits all over for this at the moment. We're going to do a track day, and believe it or not, next week. So yeah, that's getting ready for that. And then we'll have my little toys. So I have the Mk1 Audi TT. It's the 225 with the BAM engine. I've done quite a few things with this. This is missing the side skirts and the rear bumper, and there's a few reasons why. We're going to do some aero development on that, lower and wider sills. Also going to do a different a different bumper with a diffuser for the back box. So we're not going to run the twin exhaust setup on the back. We're going to use one single one in the middle, which will have a diffuser and the bumper to suit. That's the reason why that's off. Oh, if I can get that, there we go. We'll have the big wing on the back. That's the BYC, the backyard Civic setup for the Audi TT. I think it's Mark Burnett. He designed all that. It's an awesome bit of kit. It's fully adjustable. You can adjust the rake on your plates at the back here. The main aerofoils. You can have this one lower. Different setups. Really sturdy. We'll have at the moment it's just running the stock pretty much stock engine setup as opposed to what we have for it. So it's running a hybrid turbo at the back, custom inlet, bigger injectors, bigger turbo intake pipe, catch can setup, got rid of all the vacuum bits and bobs. There's a front mount intercooler, silver line, silver project silver project, adjustable top mounts, gas gold suspension, front and back, operating anti-roll bar on the rear. It also has Ignitron ECU, and we are going to be going for a forged engine, which we have over here. I'll take you through and show you. Williams Performance has the engine building room. It's for all the B58 engines, as you can see. There's a few in here. That's a Clio head. Bits of the Clio ready for the track day for next week. The Clio engine. More of the B58 parts, but yeah, this is the Audi TT. Audi TT engine there. That's what's that run? That's got trying to remember, it's got a battle sump on the bottom. It also has ACL bearings, forged which ones I can't remember the make of them now. Forged rods, forged pistons. We have the poured and polished head. We have all the RP fasteners. It's full rebuild there. We have the head has Citroen exhaust and inlet valves, slightly bigger ones. It's all been poured and polished. So all the Citroen valve guides. I think it's titanium springs, double springs. I said poured and polished. What else has been scanned? Lots of bits and pieces for that. That's ready to go on the engine soon. So it'll be a full rebuild. We'll have the inlet, the exhaust manifold, the tubular manifold with external wastegate for the G25 660 turbo on Garrett, which I have here. That's waiting to go in. So yeah, we'll have quite a few bits and pieces for this. Wasn't really prepared for doing the video. I haven't got the keys. It has full roll cage, which you can see through the window. Yeah, full roll cage. It's run one bucket seat at the moment, half a dash, adjustable removable steering wheel, pretty raw inside. That's about it really. I'll do another video once it's all it's open, man. I'm telling lies. Awesome way to start, isn't it? So yeah, it has a half a dash, which we'll have mounted to the cage on. Yeah, there's a cage. Just full of bits and pieces at the moment. And we'll also have part of alongside of it. I've had this for years. This is my Citroen Saxo VTS. It's the 1.616 valve. At the time was quite a rare colour. It's the Icelandic grey. I've got a few sets of Speedline Torinis, anthracite ones. Has the carbon fibre boot lid. It's got a roll cage to go in it as well. It also has high spec 4 pots at the front. This brake setup's awesome on this car, it really is. It's amazing. We'll have the single skin carbon fibre bonnet, which as you can see, extremely lightweight, very flexible. So underneath that we've got the 1.6 16 valve engine from the original VTS bottom end, but it's a little bit of a Frankenstein. So the cylinder head, the top end's all off a C2 VTS. That was because it has deeper combustion chambers, which lowers the compression ever so slightly. It also has bigger valves, and we're using turbo cams for the Saxo VTS with the Saxo VTS springs, and we have the C2 VTS alloy inlet. So originally the C2 VTS used an electronic fly-by-wire throttle body. So we had a plate made up to convert to put the original Saxo one on, keep the cable drive. 2.5 inch boost pipes, and we'll have a tubular manifold, which on here it's mated to a turbo for Subaru with the teal external wastegate setup. 2 3/4 inch exhaust for the downpipe all the way back. That's going to get modified again shortly. Again, it hadn't been running for years. We managed to get it running, hence the reason why all the wiring's a mess. But it's running an Omex standalone ECU. We still have the intercooler set up to do the bumpers off, because that's getting quick release fitting, so we can take it on and off dead quick. But yeah, it's a Mark II VTS, but it has the Mark I front end, which is the reason why it's off. So it's got quad lights. 2 of the quad lights have been turned into the air intakes to cool the engine down a bit. Yeah, there's the oil cooler, that's got to get mounted yet. Intercooler. Finish the boost pipe works off. Yeah, it's running a different, it's an alloy paste products radiator with a GMC header tank. We also have, this is run gas gold suspension all round. Operated anti-roll bars at the back, operated torsion bars, no anti-roll bar at the front because of the poundage of the springs. Handles better without it. We'll also have the gearbox on this is it's off an R46 Mini. The turbo, 1.6 turbo engine. We made a plate for that, so it's a 6-speed box. It's better than the one that's made of sticky toffee pudding from the factory. Originally in the Saxo. We've also done the coil packs. We got rid of the Saxo coil pack, and we've used the Ford electronic ignition system. So that's the coil pack with the leads. Tends to run a lot better, less issues as well. But yeah, this car's really light. I'm sure last time we tinkered with it, we had it on the weight bridge. I'm sure it was 800 or 780 kilos, something like that. So yeah, it's quite light. Power weight ratio is really good with this. Awesome little car to drive. So yeah, that's pretty much all the little toys that we have here. As you can see, they're all in bits waiting to be finished or started in some cases. So yep, that has a track day in less than a week's time, which will be fun. Should be some late nights getting that ready, but again, Clio's a good car to throw on a track. What else have we got to show you? This is all the roll cage for Mark's E46. Again, I won't have fun doing all that. That's going to get welded in. Full MSA spec one. Goes on top of the turrets and everything, so it's going to be a good one. So yeah, I'll try and keep you updated. Obviously Mark's got his own channel, his own business, so he'll keep all this side of things, but I'm sure he won't mind us telling me about it. So yeah, this is what we do here. Make exhausts, make loud exhausts. This is the fab shop. It's in a mess because I've been busy today, but I'll show you that. Look, here we go. And we're talking about the Audi TT. So the wings, front wings, we're going to go for loads of crazy aero with this and try and compete in some of the time attack, I'm at a time attack. So these are Mark 1 wings off the Audi TT. So to try and get rid of some of the stalled air that's in here, off the front wheel arches, we've kind of cut this away and made some vents. I still need finishing off with the sides and all that, but obviously it'll help pull hot air and stalled air that's kind of drag resistant in here. I'll drag this out, bring it down the way. We've also cut this back to let air out of there and along the side of the car, which eventually will hopefully push down onto the nice side skirts that we're going to have, divert the air back where it should be. We're looking at doing a full flat bottom on that car as well, so we're going to try and maximise the air out and get. Hopefully it should be running about, I'd like to say 500 brake, mid 500 brake at a push. This should be nice and reliable, but it should be plenty quick enough. The Ignitron ECU that we'll have, that can do lots of mad crazy things. So yeah, shouldn't be a reason why we can't fly around and have fun with it. What else we've got? Well, we've got the Porsche brakes. So we got some these are Porsche 6 pots. These are going to go on the car. We need to run wider wheels as well, so that needs to get sorted. But these are awesome as well. We've got the bigger discs and the 6 pots there, and this is for the. I had this made for the center of the gear stick for the center console. It raises it up so you don't have to drop your arm down as far. Makes it all nice and compact when you're sitting in your seat, all strapped in. Yeah. That's about it, really. Until next time, folks. See you around.